Hi friends, very good evening. Just see, this is the microscope, and today we are going to observe amoeba with the different parts of microscope. This is a eyepiece and the objective, one of the most important parts, and the permanent slide here above amoeba, and this is the stage, and this one is mirror and the foot, and we have so many parts. Just see the diagram, microscope diagram with the parts present in the 9th class first lesson, and come to the another parts. That's this one, the first. This is one coarse adjustment, fine adjustment, and the arm. This is arm, and you see we have here eyepiece 10x size. From this we can see the structure of amoeba, which is pink color stained here. We can see very clearly with the nucleus in center, and also the pseudopodiums are present in amoeba. It's beautiful. Just see, these are the different things which are required for the observation of any slide. First one, watch glass. Here permanent slides, and also a glass slide. This one is permanent slide of a onion plant cell, and here inside the microscope stage we have amoeba binary fusion slide. Permanent slide is also permanent slide, and this is complete microscope, so we can see very clearly the microbes and microorganisms.